sentence with words out of order. Your job is to unscramble the words and make a correct sentence about a chore. Like for example, scramble. We have here. Put on the table. Okay. We have scramble. Example: he the floor mopping. So your answer: he is mopping the floor. If you like to answer, you need to stand up. This is a teamwork, so you need to have fun. So this is team A, team B. Okay? Are you ready? So if you're going to win this game, you can get a reward from Teacher Rich. Are you ready? Okay? So everybody, let's read this one. He is mopping the floor.
He is mopping the floor.
I think you're ready. Let's play the game. So all you need to do now, you stand up. If you know the answer, you need to stand up. Okay? Make it quick. 1, 2, 3, go.
Feeding the dog.
Okay, very good. He is feeding the dog. Okay, team B. Okay,